Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2014 Acura RDX in alabaster silver with black leather interior, seating for 5 with 4 doors and a hatch. This has a 3.5-liter V6 all-wheel drive engine, and it also has a technology package. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. You have memory setting for 2 drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have your tailgate release as well as traction control, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of it, you have your media controls, hands-free dialing, cruise control, as well as dash controls. This is a push start, so the key's in my pocket, foot's on the brake, and we're going to push the engine start button. On the dash, you're going to see any important messages, as well as the odometer reading and the temperature outside. And then we can toggle through, so we can push the button again, custom settings, oil life, tire pressure, average speed, elapsed time, range, and then back around again. In the center, you have your display screen, and this is where you're going to see your backup camera view, as well as your map for the, there we go, for navigation. And you have your hazard lights up there. There's your DVD player, and you're seeing the different media will be located there, which is AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio. And you've got your volume and tuner and the different options there. And that's where I pushed for the navigation, so you have your information, your map located there, as well as the hands-free dialing for the phone and the brightness of your screen, which is located there. You have dual climate control for both driver and passenger, and you also have AC, as well as front and rear defrost and heated side view mirrors. Down below, there's a 12-volt and a USB and a automatic shifter. You have heated seats for both driver and passenger, as well as a couple of cup holders, and your armrest opens up, and inside there's a little bin, and there's also a 12-volt down there and lots of storage. You have a locking glove compartment off to the side, and up above an auto-dimming rear view mirror. You also have garage door opener, lighting controls, as well as a sunglass holder. And on a nice day like today, let's open up the sunroof. It's a push of a button, and it'll slide right open for you. 18-inch wheels, body-colored door handle with easy access, driver's side fuel cap. The back hatch has a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and your backup camera is located just below the Acura badge. When you're ready to open up that hatch, you can do so from inside, or you can click and hold your fob. It chimes for you and then powers up. Makes it easier to get inside. And you're noticing it's lots of room, as well as an all-weather mat. And there's a speaker off to the side. There's also some tabs if you want to tether things. And you're seeing these clips off to the side, these little handles. You pull these and that'll bring your seat right down. So if you're in the back here putting in packages, it's quite handy. And then when you're ready to close everything up, there's a handle up to the right here, or you can also push the button. It'll chime to let you know that the hatch is now going down securely and closing. And then you can lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily pull the tab at the back of the seat and it'll come right down. You now have access to the back cargo area, and there's a nice all-weather mat back there. Anchors on the back of the seat to be able to tether baby seats and easily lift the seat up with just a push. In the center, you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders, all-weather mats on the floor, some pockets on the back of the front seat, and a little cubby in the center console there. Up above, hooks, handles, and lighting. Chrome accents, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors, HID headlights, halogen fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.